Good evening, all. Yeah, can anyone please confirm? Is my voice clear? Whether my screen is visible or not?
Yes.
So in the last class, I was discussing about data types and variables, right? In case one, 4 cases I was discussing. Case one, right? Whenever I define x equal to 10, one object is going to get created with value 10 with some address. The address is given to x. Yes. Print x means what is the x value? Yes, try to answer everyone. What is x? Print x. It goes to this address and prints whatever content at that address. If I want to print the address, there is a function called id of x. What is the address? 3070. Yes, everyone try to unmute yourself and try to give your responses, right? Want the sessions to be interactive. Type of x. Type of x.
Integer.
So what value you are assigning based on the value assigned, the variables are created dynamically, right? That is case one. Case two, observe this case two, right? X equal to 10, y equal to 20. How many objects are created for this? 10 and 20? Everyone.
2.
Two objects, right? Two objects with two addresses. This address is given to X. This address is given to Y. We have discussed this in the last class, right? Can anyone please confirm? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So two different variables with two different values, then two different objects with two different addresses. Print X means what is the X value?
10.
10. Address of X.
103070.
3070 and print Y
20.
and address of Y.
104080.
Yes. Case 3. X is 10, X is 20. How many objects? X is 10, Y is also 10. Now,
One object.
One object.
only one object with value 10 will be created with some address. The same address will be given to X. For Y equal 10, don't think one more object with value 10 will be created. The same address will be given to. If Z also 10, the same address. So all the three variables X, Y, Z, they are sharing the same content and the address. Case 4. X value 10, X is 20. One object for 10, it will be created. For 20, another object with some address. Print X means what is the X value it prints?
20.
Latest value.
Latest value. Address also the latest address, right? So these 4 cases. So coming to this data types, right? Yes. Data types mainly are of 2 types. Fundamental data types. Fundamental data types and collection data types. Fundamental data types means object holding single value. Fundamental data types, object holding single value. Object holding single value. Fundamental data types. X equal to 10, one object is created, value 10 with some address. Here object holding single value, right? Object holding single value. Collection data type. Object holding group of values. Collection of values, group of values, set of values. Fundamental data types, object holding single value, and collection data types like holding group of values, set of what? X equal to, yes, X equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes. Ten, 20, 30, 40, 50. Some address 109070. This address is given to X. So here object holding group of values. Object to holding group of values. Object holding single value, right? Object holding group of values. Okay. Okay. Now, what are the various fundamental data types and what are the various collection types? File, new file. Fundamental types, right? Yes. Fundamental data types. Object holding single value, right? We have got five types. Five types. Like int, float, boolean, string, complex. Integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Integer, like example of this, like age 25, float, like height 6.3. Boolean, right, which returns either true or false. Boolean values 0 or 1, 1 or 0. 1 indicates true, 0 indicates false. Python is case sensitive. Uppercase, lowercase is taken differently. String is a sequence collection of characters. Complex. In general mathematics, right, like a plus ib. A plus ib. A is real part, b is imaginary part. In Python, everything same, but instead of I, we use J symbol, right? So integer, float, boolean, string, and complex. Collection data types. Collection data types mainly are of 4 types. List, tuple, set, dictionary. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List represented using squared bracket. Tuple represented using normal braces. Set represented using curly braces. Dictionary by using key and value. So how simple, right? By seeing the braces, only we need to identify what type of collection it is. Key and value, right? Key value format. List, tuple, set, and dictionary. List is a collection of values. Tuple also set. Key and value format means like key and value. Name Ajay. Age 25. This is key. This is value. This is key and this is value. Key value notations, right? Yes. Now we have got a lot of discussion on these collections: list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries. List indexing, list slicing, list functions, list methods, list addresses, list modifications. Similarly for tuple, sets, and dictionaries. Okay. In these fundamental types, we have got more discussion on the strings, string indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, string special characters, right? Yes. So what is a string? String, right? A string is a, yes, a string is a sequence collection of characters, is a sequence collection of characters. In Python, a string is represented using, in Python, a string is represented using single quote, using double quote, using triple quote. single quote, double quote, and triple quote. In Python, a string is represented using single quote, double quote, and triple quote. So for single line string, you present using single or double quote. For multiple lines, go for triple quote. For multiple lines or paragraph, right? Go for triple quote. Yes. Each character of a string, right? Each of a string is represented or accessed by a unique index. Each character of a string is represented accessed by a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports two types of indexes. Forward index or positive index. Now it's always index starts from left to right. Index starts from left to right. Index starts with 0. Index starts with 0, right? Backward index or negative index. Index starts from right. Index starts from right to left. Right to left. Index starts with -1. Index starts with backward index or negative index. Index starts from right to left. Index starts with -1. Okay. Now just observe this diagram, right? For string. Okay. X equal to anything if you are representing in single, double, or triple quote is a string. Python. Each character of the string is represented by a unique index. This is an object is created within this Python, right? Yes. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This address is given to X. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and -6. So this we call it like a forward index or positive index. Backward index or negative index. Just 1 second. Give me a second. Forward index are positive, backward index are negative, right? Yes. 0 to 5, minus 6 to minus 1. What is the value of x of 2? Try to answer, everyone. What is the value of x of 2 here?
T.
T. X of minus 2? Yes.
0.
O, right?
O.
Yes. Either you can use negative or positive index, right? So why already we have got positive index, why again negative index means if you got a very big string and if you want the last character to be printed, x of minus 1, x of minus 1 returns the last character. Okay. So single line comment starts with hash symbol, multi-line comment start with triple quote, end with triple quote. Start with triple quote and end with triple quote, right? X Python, x equal to Python, print x. Type of x, string type. Len of x. Len of x means number of characters within the string. How many characters within the string? 6, right? Len of x is 6. Type of x is strings. Print x means prints this as it is, right? So if you want to single line comment start with hash, multi-line comment start with triple quote. Triple quote. Save it. Python. Okay, I'm just saving this. str1 dot py run module. Check this. String type length is sync s. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Yes, print x plus y. Print x plus y means prints what? Concatenation we call this as concatenation. Concatenation means adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Run module, right? Yes, first string followed by second string. I want a space between Python and programming. Add three strings. X is one between this one string. X is one string, Python, Y is programming between those two, one space, one blank space, right? Python space programming, Python programming, right? Yes. Yeah, Python programming, right? Oh, next, string slicing. Next is string slicing. String slicing. Extracting particular portion. Extracting particular portion of a string. X equal to Python program. X equal to Python program, right? Extract only Python from this. Print X means prints the entire string Python program, but I want to extract only Python from this. Extract only Python. Extract only Python from this. Mm. Ah, Python 0 colon 0 I want, 1 I want, 2 you want, 3 you want, 4 you want, 5 you want. 0 to 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, right? But I've given 6 here. This we call it like lower bound. This we call like upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded. So the 6 is called upper bound, 0 is the lower bound. If I give 5 here, actually 0 to 500, right? If I give 5, 5 gets excluded. So you will get n will be missing. Just observe this output. So one bracket is missing, right? Run module, Python. Now extract the middle portion of the string. Extract only like prog. Extract only. Try to extract only prog, right? Yes. Print x of. Try to answer. Everyone try to respond, right? How to extract this prog? Only these 4 characters.
7.
Yeah, 7. Start with 7. Even the space also will take one index. Start from 7. 7 you want, 8 you want, 9 you want, 10 you want. 7, 4,
11.
7 to 11, right? Means 11 excluded up to 10, it will consider prog will be the output, right? Now, prog. Now, if I give in the opposite way, print x of 11 to 7, what will be the output? 7 to 11 means prog. If I say in the opposite way, empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction. If you go in the backward direction, it gives empty string. 11 to 7 empty string you get gives, right? Yes. Yeah, empty string. Now extract this prog using negative indexing, you say, right? Using negative indexing. Using negative index, try to say x of, yes, minus of everyone. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Using negative index also should go in forward direction only. -7 to -7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want. You -3. -7 to -3. -3 excluded, -7, -6, -5, -4. Okay, now extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program. Program, right? Print. Try to using positive index. You say how to extract the entire word program. 7 to, this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. If I give 13, M will be as
14.
14. Is index is not available. But still we can provide, right? Because 14 excluded up to 13 only it will consider. Otherwise, shortcut to this x of 7 to, don't provide this upper bound, right? Yes. Both results the same output program. Using negative index, you say, right? Print x of 7 to -7 is this. Don't provide this upper bound up to the end of the string it reads, right? Yes, both all these three results the same output. Yes, program. If I am not providing this lower bound, what will be the output? If I am not providing this lower bound, 6 I am giving. By default, it reads from the start of the string to 6. By default, reads from the start of the string to 6. 6 excluded, up to 5 takes, right? Start of the string to 6. 6 excluded, up to 5 takes. Run module, right? Yes. Python, but 0 to 5. Now, if I ignore both lower and upper, right? X of lower bound and upper bound both are ignored, it prints the entire string. Similar to, is it compulsory to give spaces there without giving space? Similar to print x, right? X of 0 to, all these last 4 statements results the same output. This 4 statements results the same output. Print x. Okay. For example, print x of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means only the even indexed characters, that is start value. You can see like start value, stop value, and step value. Start value, stop value, and step value. start value, stop value, and step value. So 0 to 14 with increment of 2. 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes. Only the even indexed characters. 0 means this peak, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So this also results the same thing, right? Print x of colon 2. Means colon 2, right? Yes. Same output, both results the same. X of colon -1, right? It reverses the string. It reverses the string. Reverses the string in the reversed order. Have you heard about the word palindrome? Have you heard about the word palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we reverse a string, if we get the same string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. It is a palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, if we get the same string, then it is a palindrome. Yes. Example of palindrome, right? Example of palindrome. Madam, right? Malayalam. If you reverse also, you'll get the same thing, right? Still. A race car. If you reverse also, you'll get the same thing. EYE, DAD, MOM, NITIN. So in this way, if you reverse also, you need to get the same. X equal to MADAM, right? Print X prints the string. If you want to reverse it, just now I discussed, right? Reversing a string. Store the output in Y. Print Y. So madam it prints, print Y also. Both results the same. Run module. It's a palindrome. So just we don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got inbuilt methods, functions available. Just I take 5-10 minutes more. So we have got like string methods. String methods. First one, upper, to print in uppercase. To print in uppercase. X equal to Hyderabad. Print X dot upper. X is the string dot upper. Observe this output once. Printing everything in the uppercase, right? Yes. Lower, to print in lowercase. To print in lowercase. X equal to Mumbai. X dot lower printing Mumbai in lowercase. That's fine. For example, I got X equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I in the upper, remaining all in the lower cases. X dot capitalize. X dot capitalize. Capitalizes only the first character, right? Yes. Capitalizes only the first character. See the output once again, right? Only the first character in the uppercase, remaining all in the lowercase. We have got a method called capitalize. Capitalize, right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character, capitalizing the first character of string, to capitalize, for capitalizing the first character of a string. Next, for example, X equal to like good evening Hyderabad. Good evening Hyderabad, right? How many words are there? 3 words. Each and every word, first character I want in uppercase. G in uppercase, E in uppercase, H in uppercase. So for that, I got a method called title. Title, title, right? Yes. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string, right? Yes, G in upper, E in upper. So just observe this. One. G in upper, E in upper, H in upper, right? Where exactly this title can be useful, right? Yes. One more example, right? I'm taking some employees data, EMPS, employees names like Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Amar, James, Okay, in this way, you got some names, right? I want hundreds of names you got. I want each and every name first character in the uppercase. Print EMPS is the string. EMPS dot PS dot capitalize. Capitalize, right? Yes, capitalize is, sorry, not capitalize. Capitalize means only the first character, title you say. Each and every word first character in the uppercase, right? Each and every word first character in the uppercase. Next, we have got a method, right? We have got a method like replace. For replacing a portion of a string. For replacing a portion of a string. X equal to, right? Java is, I'm taking a string like Java is easy. Print X dot replace. X is the string. Dot replace the word Java. Replace the word Java with Python. Replacing the word Java with Python. Run module, right? What is the output you get? Python is easy. So in this way, we have got many methods. Not only this, we have got many methods. Like here, see this upper, lower, capitalize, title, replace, swap case, count, format, strip, find, starts with, ends with, join. Right? In this way, we have got many methods. Functions are there, string functions, string methods, string special characters, lot of discussion, right? Yes. So we'll discuss so that we'll continue with the string methods in the next class. Tomorrow, Sunday, there is no class, right? So next class, the link will be changing. So everyone, you need to get enrolled, right? So we have discussed the sessions, 4 sessions we have discussed. But the next session, right, everyone can see a new link. Means if you get enrolled, right, you will get a link to your mail ID. Fine. And if don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment. If you're done, if you're enrolled, if you're done with the payment, right, don't forget to share the screenshot of your payment to that mail ID given in the chart. DURGASOFT online training @gmail.com. Then only they'll forward you the link, right? So for Python, like Python core, Python advanced application oriented models I'll be discussing, right? 6,000 is the course fee, like 70 hours, 2 months. And for full stack, right, I'll be covering like 3 courses will be covered in that Python in which core and advanced, and again UI technologies, Django framework, REST API, and project. The fee structure for it is 12,000. Total entire full stack web development will be discussed, right? Python core, advanced, UI technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and Django framework with 15 to 20 applications creations you'll be doing along with me parallelly, REST API and project. 12,000 is the fee for full stack. So yes, if you're taking as a package, it is 12. If you're taking separately, right, Python 6 and the Django and the UI technologies, it will be for 8. Fine. So, and each and every video will be provided, right? Every session video for this Python, HTML, CSS, UI technologies, this Django, all these videos will be getting. And assignments and tasks, classroom notes, soft copy of these notes, and a WhatsApp group will be created in the next class, right, for technical discussion. Next class will be on Monday evening, right? Monday evening will be the next class at same 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., right? Next class. Fine. Any other queries from your side, anyone, right? Sessions will be interactive sessions. So you can ask queries at any point of time. For every statement, you will be responding what will be the expected output, right? Yes. So if there are no other queries, I'll sign off for now. Meet you on Monday, right? Fine. Thank you all for your time. Thank you. Meet you on Monday, 8 p.m. Differently.
Thank you, sir.